Innovation and technology for gender equality. Advancements in digital technology offer immense opportunities to address development and humanitarian challenges. Unfortunately, growing inequalities are becoming increasingly evident in the context of digital skills and access to technologies. Did you know? It is estimated that only 63% of women use the internet, compared to 69% of men. Women hold just 22% of positions in artificial intelligence. More than a third of women using the internet had personally experienced online violence. Women are being left behind as the result of this digital gender divide. The need for inclusive and transformative technology and digital education is therefore crucial for a sustainable future. Our lives depend on strong technological integration, attending online courses, communicating with friends and family, making bank transactions, or booking accommodation, making appointments. Everything currently goes through a digital process. If women are unable to access the internet and do not feel safe online, they are unable to develop the necessary digital skills to engage optimally. This hampers their everyday lives and also diminishes their opportunities to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics-related fields. Bringing women into technology results in more creative solutions and has greater potential for innovations that meet women's needs and promote gender equality. The UN recognizes and celebrates women who are championing the advancement of transformative technology and digital education. As such, the UN endeavors to explore the impact of the digital gender gap on widening economic and social inequalities. Moreover, it aims to put the spotlight on the importance of protecting the rights of women in digital spaces and addressing online and ICT-facilitated gender-based violence. The UN aims to bring together technologists, innovators, entrepreneurs, and gender equality activists to provide an opportunity to highlight the role of all stakeholders in improving access to digital tools. By doing so, we are a step closer to gender equality, also in digital technology.